Jump higher and faster. Advanced plyometric techniques for explosive power. Plyometric training is a powerful tool for bodybuilders and strength trainers looking to take their performance to the next level. By incorporating advanced plyometric techniques into your training regimen, you can develop explosive power, increase vertical jump height, and improve overall athletic performance. In this video, we'll explore advanced plyometric exercises, proper form, progression strategies, and tips for effectively integrating plyometrics into your strength training routine. Benefits of plyometric training. Enhanced athletic performance. These exercises enhance your ability to jump higher, run faster, and improve overall agility. Improved muscle coordination. Plyometrics require coordination and control, which helps in improving neuromuscular efficiency. Boosted metabolism. High-intensity plyometric exercises elevate heart rate and metabolism, aiding in fat loss and conditioning. Form. Start on a raised platform. Step off and land softly on the ground, immediately jumping as high as possible upon landing. Progression. Increase the height of the platform as you become more comfortable with the exercise. Tips. Focus on minimizing ground contact time and using explosive force. 2. Box jumps. Form. Stand in front of a sturdy box. Jump onto the box, landing softly with knees slightly bent, and step back down. Progression. Increase the height of the box and add weight with a weighted vest or dumbbells. 3. Single leg bounding. Form. Perform bounding movements, focusing on jumping forward from one foot to the other. Progression. Increase the distance and height of each bound. Tips. Maintain balance and control throughout the movement, and ensure a soft landing. 4. Lateral plyometric jumps. Form. Stand with feet hip-width apart and jump laterally to one side, landing on both feet. Immediately jump back to the other side. Progression. Increase the distance of the lateral jumps and add a resistance band for extra challenge. Tips. Keep your core engaged and focus on quick, explosive movements. Jump as high as possible, bringing your knees towards your chest at the peak of the jump. Land softly and repeat. Progression. Perform multiple jumps in quick succession or add weight with a weighted vest. Tips. Keep your torso upright and focus on explosive power. Always land softly with knees slightly bent to absorb impact and protect your joints. Core engagement. Maintain a strong core to stabilize your body and prevent injuries. Controlled movements. Focus on controlled, explosive movements rather than speed. Quality over quantity. Warm-up. Always start with a dynamic warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints for high-impact exercises. Progression strategies. Gradual increase. Gradually increase the intensity, volume, and complexity of exercises. Start with lower heights and progress to higher jumps. Combination drills. Integrate plyometric exercises with traditional strength training drills for a well-rounded workout. Recovery time. Allow adequate rest between plyometric sessions to prevent overtraining and reduce the risk of injury. Integrating plyometrics into your routine. Frequency. Incorporate plyometrics 13 times per week, depending on your fitness level and goals. Pair with strength training. Perform plyometric exercises after strength training or on separate days to avoid fatigue and maximize performance. Specific goals. Tailor your plyometric training to your specific athletic goals, focusing on exercises that enhance the movements required for your sport or activity. Proper form and technique. When performing plyometric exercises, proper form is crucial to maximize results and minimize the risk of injury. Always land softly, absorbing the impact with a slight bend in your knees, hips, and ankles. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement to maintain stability and balance. Focus on exploding upwards or forward with maximal effort, while maintaining control during the landing phase. Advanced plyometric techniques are powerful tools for bodybuilders and strength trainers looking to enhance their explosive power and overall athletic performance. To improve your strength and agility, pay attention to your form, progress gradually, and incorporate these exercises into your routine. Remember to prioritize safety and listen to your body to maximize the benefits of plyometric training.